Phoenix Pro Services. Professional and reliable. Remodeling, tile work installation, chain link fence installation, lawn services. At Phoenix Pro Services, we don't just build structures, we build dreams. Our comprehensive array of services, from interior and exterior painting to complex plumbing installations, demonstrates our versatility and commitment to meeting your every need. We are more than just a construction company. We are your trusted partner in turning your vision into reality. Cabinet painting, wood staining, door painting, exterior painting. We are a band of professional constructors with over 25 years in this industry. We guarantee high-quality work for the best price. Please note and consider choosing us for your next home improvement task. Get a quote now. Phoenix Pro Services, a Texas brand you can rely on.